Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create TradeSanta trading account and what exactly features are available on that particular platform. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google and type here TradeSanta, enter. The first link is display here. Look at this. TradeSanta is a crypto trading booth, Bitcoin, altcoin, easy to trade and buy. So you just simply click here and look at this automated crypto trading mode. It's simply some start free trial versions also available. You can watch this video and understand little about this particular TradeSanta platform. So you create account in connect your supported exchange platform like a Binance, Hitbit, UBBit, Hobby, and I already create all the platforms video, so you can watch those video, create those account and connect your TradeSanta account. Before going, and one more thing, here is application available Android and iOS store also, so you just simply download and do same process what exactly I am doing here. So first of all, sign up here. You click the sign up, so you just simply click the sign up and via your Gmail address or Facebook ID. Otherwise you type here your username, email address, password, and then sign up. So I go with my Gmail address here. Simply account is automatically accessing all information about my name and all. Here is my dashboard. In the dashboard, I'm not invest any kind of money now, just I sign up. So here total balance of your 0 Bitcoin or $0 or realize profile here showing. Some other access point is this. You can access some another point like other trading account like a Binance, UBBit, and some other. You can access those accounts using here. You just simply click on that particular Binance and insert the API key, insert the script and the create account. So this account are merged TradeSanta accounts. Manually trading options also available here. Virtual trading like this, DCA booth information display here, and some subscription. If you want subscription of TradeSanta, so here basic subscription $40, advanced subscription $20, and maximum subscription actively all related information is like a expiry 12 September, 3-4 days absolutely free for me now, but rest of two basic and advanced features are available. Tutorial related informations are available. You read those tutorial and improve your knowledge related to this. And here referral programs also available. You refer my link in this one. I'm providing this link in same video description and you earn some money as well as I also receive some money. Referral informations like a 20% each payment your referral. So accordingly you use these features also, and then here setting options are there, which language you are preferable. Accordingly here 5 to 6 languages are there. Accordingly you select the language and you work on it like a day, dark night or day mode. Select those one, notification on or off, accordingly you decide it. So subscription trial plan is display here. If you take a subscription, two-factor authentication you can on easily. Two-factor authentication here, like simply I enable, I add my Gmail address, password or code here, receiving one code. So simply I add here 8406, confirm, and then after you scan this barcode with your smartphone application and active your two-factor authentication, so that point of view your account is quite secure. And then some other information setting options so already are explaining here. It's quite simple to log in and access point create for other platform and invest your money via TradeSanta and learn much more things. It's quite simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.